Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have a very high paying, mostly non phone work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require a little bit of customer service type skills, but again, mostly non phone. If you're interested in applying, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And this one is for my United States folks only. But the company Muckrack, they are a SaaS or software as a service platform for public relations and communications professionals. Now, they are hiring a solution support specialist. Their solution support specialist is not actually a customer service rep for the customers. It is support for the internal team members that actually do the customer service. So you'll help the internal team members find creative solutions to the customer's needs. You'll participate in the technical discussions and help create training materials to support all phases of the customer journey. So you'll be serving as a crucial resource for the internal team members as they work with the customers and guide prospects and customers through the evaluation process of the product. You'll directly and indirectly support the customers through the sales process, addressing technical objections. You'll act as a liaison between product marketing and sales. You'll become an internal product expert and lead the technical conversions surrounding third-party integrations. Again, you'll create and maintain a documentation to further assist internal teams like training materials, and then you'll also help train and educate the internal employees on the latest Muckrack product offerings. So even though they're hiring in the United States, you must be willing to work Eastern Standard Time hours because you'll have to be working when the employees are also working. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of professional experience with at least 1 year of related experience in some kind of a technical role. Someone who is proficient in Slack, Zoom, and ticket managing systems like Jira. Now, this right here makes me think that you're going to help the internal employees through some kind of ticketing system, and you also may occasionally have to have Zoom meetings with them to help train them. They're looking for someone who's a strong track record working in customer service roles, someone who has excellent interpersonal skills, strong time management skills, and someone who has a strong aptitude for learning new technologies, and of course, someone who can be creative and a problem solver. Now, they do go over the interview process if you are interested in that, but the most important thing is they are paying anywhere from $30 an hour for this role on the low end all the way up to $33 an hour. So this is absolutely a high paying work from home job. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I always read those and keep that in the back of my mind when I am searching for job leads to share. In case I come across anything, I will definitely share it if I know someone is looking. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.